If you're a newbie in affiliate marketing and making online, so get ready to know the best AI tools and tools you've got to know to start with in your affiliate marketing journey. But first of all, what does it mean by affiliate marketing if you don't know? Affiliate marketing is simple words. You can promote some products. It could be SaaS tools, physical tools, and so on, and get your commissions. It could be 10%, 20%, 50%, and so on. So delve into this amazing list to know about affiliate marketing most known tools. The first one, for sure, you've got to know affiliate networks contains huge amounts of affiliate programs of any niche you can think of. For example, you can find awin.com. Here you can find huge amounts of these programs, these brands, as you see that you can brand in your website, your YouTube channels, and so on. Therefore, you can get your commission like a boss. So awin.com, and for sure shareasale.com joined this one Awin. Or partnerstack.com, it's an amazing platform, especially for P2P business. Like you can find here huge amounts of task tools and so on, softwares and the like. Or impact.com. It's a world-class affiliate network. Here you can find a wide range of these programs that you can promote, including InVideo, Canva, Shopify, and so on. As you see, of course, you can promote your own affiliate programs as you want in every single niche, like on Amazon.com, Etsy.com, as you want. And in simple words, just you can head over to Google and look for your affiliate program related to your niche and your products. So you can look for something like parenting niche affiliate programs. Then you can find tons of these websites and articles that guide you successfully to find your own desired program, where you can find these requirements if they need visitors, a website, social media, and so on. And for sure, you can know your commission that you will get if you promote this product. So the first here, you can know the affiliate networks and how you can find your affiliate product. Then it's time now to how you can publish your affiliate link. For sure, it's a trackable link here from this platform that you can track your earnings, your clicks, and your commissions. But never publish your affiliate link as it is in your social media, even in your blog and so on. Because if anytime this link is broken or deleted or anything else, your live link on these platforms will be died. So instead, you've got to secure your link and you can make it editable in future. And you can do that simply in different ways. For example, if you can actually use some amazing link shortener, like this one, short URL, you can sign up for free and insert your link, that long affiliate link, then you will get a short link, okay? So you can find some features here like edit your link. That way you can actually change the redirecting link, that the link that get from your affiliate platform, but keeps your short link as it is, that you have already published everywhere. And of course, if you are using WordPress, and for sure the best way if you are working in affiliate marketing on the long run, here you can find this amazing plugin, Pretty Links. It enables you to actually manage your affiliate links and get your short links, pretty links, with this editable feature, and for sure for free. Or you can find this amazing tool that says short.io, enables you, and it's a free plan, this amazing feature to edit your links. So you can secure your affiliate links in the long term. Then it's time now to know how you can get some keywords and some long tail keywords from your competitors. That's way you can find different ways. For sure, I just focus only in free options. Like this one, you can head over to this amazing website, toolx.com. Here you can find a plethora of these tools. And of course, I just focus on this one, SEO tools, and here you can find amazing tools to get the long tail keywords from these popular platforms. It could be Etsy, Pay, Amazon, DuckDuck, Google, and so on. So as for getting Google keywords, so you can head over to Google Keywords Analytics, okay, and it could be like this one. Then insert here your own idea and your query, like golf course. United States. For sure, you can find here different countries of your audience. Then you can find here the long tail keywords people are looking for regarding this query, as you see. So here you can know the all long tail keywords to optimize your own articles, to optimize your own campaigns, and so on. But for sure, if you want to get more and precise analytics and statistics of these keywords, so you can use some amazing professional hubs, like for example, ubersuggest.com from Neil Battle. Here you can use this amazing tool to get the statistics like the search volume, the cost per click, and so on. So you can sign up for free and it gives you a free plan. Go to this one search bar and look for any query as you want, and for sure for free. Then it's time now, if you can actually get emails to build your email list. For sure, it's an amazing idea you've got to work in from day zero. Here you can actually create some free peas or free guides to grab their emails. You can find a wide range of these tools or these guides to give away to your audience. You can never to this amazing website. This is gamma.app. Here you can use this AI power to create an amazing guide from AI. Here you can generate high quality digital item and in turn you can get their emails. So gamma.app. And of course, if you don't know the best ways tools to create your digital items, you can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. And of course, when you get your emails and you can ready to publish your own marketing campaigns and so on, here you've got to verify your emails, because some people just use some disposable and temporary emails and so on. So to keep your own reputation of your email sender, you've got to verify your emails. So here you can find different ways. Either if you can go to this one, brion.com email verifier, enables you to verify your emails even in bulk and for free. So you can try now and you will be taken to this amazing tool for free. Or you can use this amazing tool, toolerbox.com. Here you can find a wide range of these tools, including this one, bulk free checker. Bulk email checker enables you to verify up to 100 emails one shot, as you see, and for free. Of course, when you verify your emails, you have two options. Either you can publish and send your email campaigns for free, even if you don't have any website, that you can use Gmail, for example. And according to the recent update of Gmail and the Google Gmail, here you can send from your personal Gmail account up to 500 emails per day. Of course, a generous amount from Google to publish and send your marketing campaigns from your personal Gmail account. And if you go professional more, you can sign up for Google Workspace that gives you up to 2,000 email per day. Okay, perfect. But here you've got to actually verify your emails first. And of course, you can find out there different amazing professional email verifier, but for sure they need subscriptions and paid plans. Or you can, if you have a website or WordPress website, you can use professional websites to send your emails, like this one, preview.com. Here you can actually sign up for free, and it gives you the opportunity to send over 500 emails per day, as you see, preview.com. Then you can find out there different amazing tools to use in your affiliate marketing. Of course, ChatGPT, to get some ideas, to actually craft some copy, sales copy, and some advertisements and so on. So you can use ChatGPT or any other AI chat model like Grok, DeepSeek, Kiowin, and so on. But ChatGPT as a representative to this group. And of course, you can use Grammarly.com if you can write down your own thoughts and your article in your WordPress or anything else. You've got to need this amazing assistant to correct your grammar and spelling mistakes. In addition, this amazing website that says remocarousel.com enables you to create scroll stopping carousels, as you see. Here you can convert any blog post or any review. Just insert here this URL, be converted to beautiful carousel post that you can publish later on social media to get more traffic, or you can promote your affiliate links in the link in the bio and so on. So you can use Remo Carousel professionally, and for sure it gives you a free plan to use. And of course, I just talked about how you can use Remo Carousel to promote your affiliate programs efficiently and professionally. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. And the next tool here, you can find many tools like System.io, just all in one funnel builder and marketing tool. It gives you a free plan to start with, and it's an amazing one. And of course, it gives you amazing landing pages here to get and grab emails of your clients. So it's Testame.io. Pricing here, you can find this amazing free plan, and here you can find this email sense unlimited. Or you can use Uber.com. For sure, it's a professional one, and it gives you just 2 weeks as free trial. But it's amazing and more specialized email marketing tool. And of course, you've got to use some link in bio builder like this one, Pekins.ai. It's a wonderful landing page builder for your social media. Of course, if you need promote your affiliate products on social media, including TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, and so on, you've got to need this link in bio builders that organize your affiliate products in one page, as you see. And of course, Pekins.ai have many features that blow your mind, and it gives you a free plan. So Pekins, like Linktree and so on, of course, I just leave down below in the description box in the first comment an amazing list of the best free landing page link in bio builders, for sure, including Pekins. Or you can use this amazing website, buffer.com, if you just want to schedule your post across social media. And the best, here on buffer.com, it gives you a free plan to actually take over up to 4 or 5 accounts on social media, like for Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. Therefore, you can schedule your own posts across all these accounts, as you see, for free. And of course, if you just need some landing pages to publish your thought and your article, including your affiliate links, here, of course, you can depend on creating your brand blog. Like, for example, on Google sites. Here you can create your own pages or site on Google and enable you to grab traffic and get clicks. Or the best way, just you can move on to perfect option to go medium.com. Enables you to publish your beautiful articles. So for sure, medium.com enjoys high traffic and high authority on Google. So your articles, to optimize, it would be rank higher on Google search results faster. Or you can build your own small blog using blogger.com. Here you can publish your passion and your ideas in single place. And of course, you've got to need canva.com to create your own creatives, your visuals. If you are make some advertisements, Pinterest ads, Pinterest pins, and so on. And of course, you can go to reddit.com and quora.com to find many ways people are suffering to give them your affiliate product. And for sure, you can join all these subreddits regarding your own niche and your topic. And of course, you can get many ideas of the most recent products you can promote. For example, from producthunt.com. Here you can find daily newly launched tools. And of course, as well as this one app, sound.com. Here you can get newly joined platforms that you can actually go to its websites, and you can promote as you want if they are providing affiliate link. And this amazing website in SEOshop.com. It's an amazing website and enables you to actually access the amazing and the most paid and the premium websites and the platforms that help you more in your affiliate marketing, but in some packages and at an affordable price. Of course, I will leave all these links down below in the first comment and the description box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.